up, everybody? What's going on? This is Drew. Welcome to another installment of What Do I Eat During the Daniel Fast. We still on our Daniel Fast, so it's going to be all Daniel-friendly ingredients. Mainly fruits and vegetables. It has many benefits, such as it aids in weight loss, improves digestion. The list goes on.
Remember, this fast is not just about eating. It's about getting closer with God and hearing His word and hearing Him clearly. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to help me out a lot in the algorithm. With that being said, let's get it.
First, let's start off with my morning routine. Cayenne lime water. First, you got a half a lime, cayenne pepper, some sea salt, and warm spring water. We're going to add about a tablespoon of cayenne pepper in the water, maybe a little more. It's up to your preference. Followed by the lime. You want to squeeze the whole lime in there. And then followed by a pinch of sea salt. Now we're going to stir it all together. You can add a little more if you want. It's up to you. Now it's time for the taste test. This aids in weight loss, improves digestion, and helps reduce appetite. Keeps you full throughout the day. Next, we're going to make our breakfast smoothie. We got a mango, we got a banana, some dates, almond butter, almond milk, blueberries, and strawberries. First, let's peel the skin off the mango. Trying to cut yourself, like I almost did. Next, we're going to cut it down. There's something hard in the middle. I think that's the seed. But anyway, make sure you cut around that. And don't struggle like I am. Next, we're going to throw it in the blender. Start with our mango. Followed by a banana. Our dates. Our strawberry. The blueberries. And our almond butter. Followed by milk. Let's blend that up nice and smooth. It may be some chunks left over from the dates, but that's okay. Pour it in our glass. Let's get ready for the taste test. Fire. As always. So for lunch, I got this super trail mix. It has almonds, cashews, pecans, pumpkin seeds, raisins, and cranberries. All Daniel Fast friendly. Quick tip, when y'all go into these stores looking for stuff for this Daniel Fast, make sure y'all reading the ingredients. Because a lot of times these products have GMOs, they have preservatives, chemicals, different things that's not Daniel Fast friendly. Just food for thought. Now it's time for dinner. We got our mushrooms, black beans, spring mix, our red onion, and our peppers. First, we want to cut down this onion right here. I don't like using onions because when you cut it down and you start crying, well, not crying, but you have the tears and whatnot, and your eyes burn. It's a very uncomfortable feeling. But anyway, now we're going to do a rough chop of the onions real quick. Now let's start cutting down our peppers. We're going to start with our red pepper, excuse me. I think this cut is called a julienne or something like that. I'm going to Google that real quick. I'll be back. Yeah, I was right. A julienne. Now mine ain't as perfect, but oh well, I'm not a chef. So we're going to continue to cut this green pepper down, julienne style. Now we're going to take our pan, put some olive oil, make sure it's fully coated, and let that get hot. Give it about a few seconds. Once your pan is hot, we're going to add our onions and peppers. Give it a quick stir. Make sure it's all coated with the oil. Once everything is all coated and our onions are translucent, look at that, another chef word. Anyway, now we're going to add our mushrooms. Stir that in, blend that in nicely. Okay, once that's blended, then we're going to add our seasonings. I'm going to put a list of our seasonings on the screen. Matter of fact, it's the same seasons from the last video. If you haven't watched the last video yet, pause this video right here and go watch the last video. And while you're at it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Once everything's coated with the seasoning, let's put the lid on. Now a lot of liquid is going to come from the mushrooms, but that's cool. Just wait till that reduce. Now let's put our black beans to work. Now let's season up our beans. Same exact season as before. Let's put the lid on and let it cook for a few minutes. This is our peppers and onions and mushrooms. Looking good, looking good. Now this is something I never did before. We're going to use our oats, some water, and some sea salt. We're going to make wraps out of these 3 ingredients. Start off with the oats. Followed by your water. And then we're going to throw in our sea salt. Now you want to make sure this has a thick consistency, but not too thick. Now let's blend everything up. You can add more if you like. Again, that's your preference. So you want it to be looking something like this. Now in our pan, we're going to add some olive oil. Make sure it's fully coated. Now we're going to pour in our mixture. Let it cook for a few minutes. Now we're going to flip it just like pancakes. Our beans are ready. I left it for a little too long, but it's cool. Now after some trial and error, we got the right wrap. Now we're going to add our peppers, onions, and mushrooms, and followed by our black beans. Gonna add some spring mix to the top. Then we're going to drizzle a little bit of that goddess green dressing from Trader Joe's from the last video. Looking good. Taste test time. I almost forgot to give you out a taste test. I had to double back. But anyway, let's get it. Fire, as always. I wanted seconds, but we ain't have no more wraps. So I made a bowl. Fire.
If y'all made this far in the video, shout out to y'all. Remember, this fast is not about just the food. It's about praying, worshiping, getting closer to God, and hearing Him clearly. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to help me out a lot in the algorithm. I appreciate y'all. With that being said, I'm out. Peace.